The Herman Miller Aeron Remastered chair comes in 3 different sizes. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find the size of your chair, along with understanding the sizing chart so you can find out which size is best for you.
Shopping for office chairs? BTOD TV is your #1 resource for everything office chairs. Subscribe today so you don't miss out on any of our future content.
If you're shopping for a Herman Miller Aeron Remastered chair, you may notice that they offer 3 different size options. Knowing which size best fits you will help you with proper ergonomics. Now, Herman Miller does offer an Aeron fit and size chart to help you determine which size best fits you. This chart can be difficult to understand, especially if you are shopping online or you cannot try out the chair in person. To start, you're going to need to know what each size option is. First is size A. Size A is for shorter and petite individuals. This size has a weight rating for 300 pounds and under, but is recommended for users who weigh 90 to 150 pounds and heights between 4 foot 10 inches and 5 foot 9 inches tall. The overall chair width is 25 3/4 inches, with a seat height range of 14 3/4 to 19 inches and a total height of 38.5 inches. The size B chair is going to be the medium-sized chair, which fits most individuals. This chair size is for people who weigh 130 to 325 pounds and are between the heights of 5 foot 2 inches and 6 foot 6 inches tall. The B-size chair has a weight rating for 350 pounds and under. The chair width for the size B is 27 inches with a seat height range of 16 to 20.5 inches and a total height of 41 inches. The C-size chair is the large size Aeron. This is recommended for users who are 180 to 350 pounds, with a height between 5 foot 3 inches to 6 foot 7 inches tall. The size C chair also has a weight rating of 350 pounds and under. Size C has a width of 28 1/4 inch and a seat height range of 16 to 20.5 inches and a total height of 43 inches. In order to find out which size classic Aeron you need, you will need to know your height and your weight. When looking at the chart, you can clearly see if you fall in the ranges for the size A, B, or C chair. The confusion comes in if you fall in the size A or B and size B or C categories. Herman Miller recommends that if you fall in these categories, that you should buy the size B chair since it is made for most individuals. But what we recommend is if you fall towards the line of size A, to get a size A chair, and if you're falling towards the C size, to get a C. If you currently have a Herman Miller Aeron Remastered chair, or you are looking to buy one in person, there's an easy way to find out which size you are looking at. Now, if you turn the chair around to the back, now between the mesh and the upper part of the frame behind the Herman Miller logo, there will be 1 to 3 dots. Now, if you feel 1 dot, that's going to mean it's a size A. If you feel 2 dots, that means it's a size B, and 3 dots means it's a size C. Now, behind this Aeron is going to be 2 dots, which means it's a size B chair. Knowing how to determine which Aeron Remastered chair size is best for you is going to help you ergonomically. If you have any further questions on the sizing chart, feel free to comment down below. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell to stay up to date on our new content. Thanks for watching.